This video is entirely shot on Xiaomi Yi Action Cam. Give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up. Hello people of YouTube. So today we are here to discuss about YouTube and our channel. This is basically a walkthrough to our channel and where will you get certain stuffs and what do you need to do in order to get notified. Now, number one, the most essential thing you need to do is to subscribe. Right down here, the red button, you just need to click it to get notified periodically or whenever we drop the videos. It is sad to say that a lot of people don't know how to use YouTube. Like subscription, it's in this corner, left corner of your screen. You'll get the list of subscribed channels. Like when I first started using YouTube about 4 years ago, had much idea about how this thing works. Everyone knew that YouTube is just a platform with a collection of videos you get to watch. What happened is I started getting weird kind of suggestions, or not exactly weird, like interesting suggestions where I get tutorials, where I get video tutorials of people explaining how to work on artworks, digital paintings, animations, photography, editing, travel, adventure, whatever. Like it's a fast scene. Like then onwards, like, you know, what happened is like I started subscribing to those channels and I regularly started watching those particular channels only. I mean, those became my regular habits for the last 2 years now. I have been watching Naistat for 1.5 years now, Mumbiker Nikhil for about half a year. I mean, great dude, by the way. I have not watched BBK Fine, I don't know. Like, I mean, things which interest me most are the travel channels. There are various channels, adventure travel series channels that I have been watching regularly. Like there is MotoGeo, there is Fortnite or something like that. Races to places, I mean, pretty fun. Giving my story of how I started YouTubing and this and that. We walk through our channel. That's our channel, by the way. I will try to put screenshots in this video if possible. If not, I'll be explaining to you verbally. Just don't mind. Our channel name is The Synergy Truck. I will discuss about the channel later on. What it is about, what does it do, what our ambitions are, how to where we are going. I have a complete trailer or promo about it later video, but for now, first playlist is TST Gallery Visit. Like, it is the series we started where we will be visiting the galleries, the local galleries. There is an exhibition every week going on in 2 of the galleries that we have locally, which is pretty great, and no one is actually covering those up and posting it out. So I thought, why should I not cover those? You know, like they need an the artists need an international exposure, and every other art seekers or art enthusiastic people will get to watch those videos in one platform, which is pretty great, right? Where I go, I walk through the gallery, I ask a few questions, that's all about it. Okay, so the TST vlog playlist has all the vlogs, travels, random vlogs, this kind of stuff, you know, that we are doing right now. The interactive sessions and all. These all will be posted and uploaded in the TST vlog playlist. But under the playlist tab, if you are looking for a specific kind of content, you'll get the vlogs in the TST vlogs. Just the daily life we share from time to time. The TST presents. So TST presents are the stuff those are our personal projects. Let's say those are mosquito. So those are our personal projects. It will have our exclusive contents, which will be solely ours, and it doesn't include anything of our life actually. It will have, I mean, it could have parts of vlogs, but still those will be the kind of movies, the kind of animations, the kind of series, the kind of videos or whatever which we produce out of ourselves. And there is the travel. Okay, I love traveling, by the way, so I travel periodically, at least twice to thrice a month if possible. So I have this action camera. I'm recording in an action camera, by the way. If you want to see, this is the setup. If you can, yeah, that's, I've got this awesome action cam. I've got a helmet mount. I mount it on my helmet and travel around to destinations, make a short travel movie and upload it. That's it. It is pretty fun to show you people where I live, the surroundings, the nature. I love nature. I love Northeast. That playlist will have all the travel videos that we make. Then there is the time lapse. I got pretty much caught up with the time lapse video making thing. Fun. It is technical. So I don't know, like, no, the slow moving thing which moves fast, zoof by in a minute, I mean in a matter of seconds. It gives me immense pleasure. People don't usually know, but I used to time lapse at first in this phone. This is a Eureka Plus, by the way. So this has a pretty good feature of time lapsing, and the video quality is good. You could record the time lapse in 1080p, and even then get a small video size. Like, I could time lapse for 2 hours and get a 150 MB file size, which is pretty great, and high resolution, I mean full HD. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below here. This is the red button. You just hit it and you're done. Here you will get previous videos. Don't forget to check them out, or I mean check them out later on if you already subscribed. Thank you. Bye bye.